Our wine and floral design night was a huge success. Someone needed wedding flowers created. So we worked together, we worked hard, we got all our supplies prepared, each of the flowers cut and ready for arranging. And of course, we did enjoy some wine. Fast forward to all our supplies being cut and gathered together and ready to get to work. Next, we found our inspiration and had all of our supplies organized, set, and ready to design. Bride-to-be is excited and ready to work. And in this wine and design class, we made corsages for the mothers. We showed you how to make simple bows. We also made some boutonnieres for the groomsmen and the groom, and just had a great time assembling. Bride-to-be worked tirelessly and was so excited at the end result. We then labeled items for special guests, such as the mother of the bride, the groom, and enjoyed all of our hard work, our finished product. And I know the bride and her wedding party will be excited to enjoy. And our next creation was the bridal bouquet. We worked together with the colors mauve and ivory, adding lots of greens to look natural. Then we tucked colors together to create something that our bride was very happy with, and as you can see, very excited to carry on her wedding day. And our bride was able to create bouquets for her bridesmaids as well that she had learned from the class.